All right. Let's get the show on the road. Let's see. For your values. Mm-hmm. Alright, so I can do a chatbot, but how would I get, like, the latest, like, donations and follows? One type of user, one caster. A viewer can follow or subscribe to channels. Other companies. Alright, let's actually go ahead and check something out then. Hey, whoever's watching, welcome to the stream. What if I want to do... Alright. There we go. For some reason, it did not pick up last time. It's a broadcaster. Alright, so target's always going to be the channel. If I'm reading that right, that is JSON. And the context message type. All right. I need to check to see if there are different message types. User type. Emotes raw. Badge is raw. Username raw. So All right. So that is how I would get certain powers. All right. All right. So once I have all of that, wait, if it's the self, then I'm never going to know. So that's chat, 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 chat. Alright, then what other types are there? So what's the heck is a drop? What the? To receive VHS data, you use the posted data of incoming identities for in-game rewards. Interesting. Let's see. How do I log in then? Products. Come on. If it wants to be quicker, that would be nice. Products, darn it. I wonder. I wonder. Alright. Let's see if I can play around with it. see if I can get a different type of message. Alright. Alright. Unfollow. Alright, if I unfollow and then follow. Nope. That did not work. I mean, oh, I can track subscriber. Frustrating. I feel like that I've already done this. Alright, it's going to take 2 to 3 days, and it's the weekend, so blah. Okay. Hello, Profound Modes YouTube, or YT. Not sure what the YT stands for. Don't know if it's a Whitey or YouTube. How are you doing today, either way? Ah, okay. What do you stream typically? All of that was caught off by an ad. Gosh darn it. Ads. They are the worst. So what's going on with you today? Well, I'm sorry about that then. You just come and ruin streamers' nights. That is funny. I am currently exploring a number of development tools by Twitch and seeing if I can develop a suite of tools so that I can make streaming more enjoyable for all streamers. Building a platform where people can earn money to play games. Well, I think Twitch already solved that problem. Vitalik Dekun. Привет, как дела? One of the tools that I'm trying to build out is actually in relation to this suite of tools that I'm building out. Like you can see over here, I'm actually running a chatbot that will go ahead and monitor everything that comes in. And you can actually see, like Discord, I can run a quick command and it'll automatically pop something out. Oh. So yeah, if I can find a way to make it easier or better or more interesting for everyone, I would very much like to build out that tool. But one of the problems I'm having right now is that I need to actually figure out all of the needs. I need to actually pretty that up a little bit, so... Oh yeah, I know. It's on my to-do list. One of those things of just getting it out the door so that I can at least show something. But, might as well. I am going to be building out a web panel that will be interactive as well. And I want to build it out so that people can actually interact with the chat. It'll communicate with my server, and it'll also ping my Node, a Node front-end application so that people can play around with it all they want. And one thing I am flirting with is making like a small game out of it for who happens to be viewing. Almost like an idle, one of those idle games. I'm pretty fond of those myself. But, yeah, it's just something to encourage people to interact and hopefully be a little less shy. Reckon Node.js is decent enough to learn for PHP dev? I would definitely recommend people to learn Node.js. It's a core technology with a lot of important platforms like AWS, Amazon Web Services. And Node.js is a pretty fun technology, as is. Is it always going to be lippy with me? Ah. Backticks. That's what I need. Alright. So that's what I'm gonna need. So used to vanilla HTML, CSS plus JS, including Ajax for my front end and PHP for my back end. I don't want to learn anything else, but I also know that Node.js could excel my programs. Oh, it definitely will. I promise you that. I would also recommend that you would start exploring Laravel. It automatically includes Vue.js, and on top of that, it will force you to get familiar with a lot of other front-end technologies that will improve your earning potentials by a wide margin. Like, when I actually moved away from just straight Laravel, I mean, when I was just doing PHP, I was capped around anywhere between 40 to 60. Picked up Laravel, I found that my earnings were like between 60 and 80. And picking up Vue.js and Node along with Laravel, I am seeing anywhere between 80 to 120. And that's not talking hourly, that's just salary. Hourly, the margins are even higher. Thank you for the follow, Profound. A little redundant, but oh well. I'm going to head off now, nearly 12 a.m., and got S to do in the morning. Have a good day. You too, my dude. You too. Okay, I can't tell if that is properly formatted. Here, so I'm gonna have to go to might have to do like new line or something like that. Let's double check that. Nope. Alright, maybe I have to do like... Maybe it has to be that. Nope. JS new line. Let's see, let's see, let's see. It does not like it. What if I do... Can I do this? Okay, it just automatically removes it, so... Plan B. Can I risk, Alrighty. Need to do something partially off screen, so bear with me. Alrighty. Come on. This will probably make it easier to maintain. So then... So, command description. Okay. Now that we have that, okay, so, alrighty, and this would be... Come on. All right. Brother man! Hey, what's going on? I need to show you my site so far. I'm very happy with it so far. Please do, my dude. Alright, let's hop over to it. It's by no means close to done, but it's starting to shape into something. Alright, let's take a gander. I'm excited. Uploaded 20 hours ago. Oh my god, this is looking really good. Really good. If I can make a small recommendation, try looking into rounding the corners of your images here, or putting a background behind it while curving it. It'll give it a much prettier and cleaner feel. But beyond that, it's starting to look really good. Well done, my dude. What I want to do is have the header be there and the rest of the picture scroll along with the site as you scroll down. What you're probably thinking is something in terms of absolute position, I believe. Or something called, or you're going to want to sticky the header. It might be. I don't know off the top of my head. It might be something a little bit more than that. Damn it. Command list. Console.log I. I am making an IRC chatbot for Twitch. Bam! All right. Though what I'm probably going to be adding after this is how to collect arguments. Thank you very much. Once I actually get it to a certain level, I am actually thinking about doing a giveaway where I can integrate a Twitch bot with someone's account so that they can actually, like, integrate it with, well, their users. I really want people to really be able to really personalize their accounts a lot more. But yeah, I just am, I've been like really like losing sleep over reading documentation and trying to figure out what to do with it. So I've been like super excited. JavaScript isn't too hard, it just seems hard. I do want to make another site just to get a bit more familiar with HTML and such. Oh yeah, I totally get that. After that, I'm down for JS. If I may recommend, you should definitely look into Bootstrap. Bootstrap will take your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript game up to a whole new level, and it's borderline mandatory. It is created by Twitter. I really should make a command for tech. But there you go. And now it's being laggy. Why are you being laggy? If it's being laggy, I'm not happy. There we go. It just was being slow for literally no reason. So, we're going to make a function, tech. But yeah, the link I sent you should at least get you somewhat started, and it will make your life so much easier. Fire. All right. So we're going to need target and list. Var list. So Bootstrap is primarily for phone users. No, it makes it easier for developing for the mobile environment. But yeah, it's very easy once you get into it. It took me maybe 2 days to actually grasp it enough where I could actually start doing things with it. Alright, so that should work. Bootstrap. Vue.js. Laravel. That should at least be a good start. Bootstrap. Vue.js. Vue. And Laravel. It's going to be slow, even faster if I just do. Wait, is HTTPS? Yes. Laravel.com and technologies I use. There we go. Why is it giving me attitude? The heck? Oh, I forgot to do settings. Oops. Come on. Stop being laggy. Alright. It's choosing to be slow right now. Alright. Let's see. Fire response. Ah. Alright. I wonder if it will inadvertently decide that I'm spamming if I'm doing that. Fantastic. I wonder if I can do message formatting. Don't need you right now. But yeah. If we can find a way to format it. I mean, if all I can do is like basic HTML or BBC code, I'll take it. Or an action, me, there's... What? Ah! Alright. Apparently that's the only way to actually go ahead and display it differently. Alright. right. Ah. Okay. All right. All right. Now I need to see if I can get args. Okay, so... So let's add a new command. Okay, so, and if I want to pass an arg, all right. Okay. JS if message has if message contains space. Then it should be fine. Yes, space. $607. Okay. Yes, space. Whereas if it was, it will skip over that. So then, args equals command name dot split. All right, it's that simple. args 0. I think it would be delete args 0. If args is args and if it doesn't exist, then original command fix. Actually, I don't need that. Just going to find it anyways. The question is if args exists. If args happens to exist, then, or let's say that. parse in. It's just being slow. Great. Do I even need that then? Come on. The heck? Okay. So Sublime is just being super moody right now for whatever reason. Okay. Oh my god. Stop being so laggy. For some reason, it strips it out. But might make my life easier. For some reason, it just treats it as a string. remove that, no problem. So I will need to split it. And I presume that will break dice 100. Dice 1,000. Okay, it seems to fix itself, I guess. I don't know why it works, but it works. Don't need you open. So, one of those, I'll chalk it up to my good fortunes. But yeah, being able to read the args will be useful. But as a rule, I'm probably going to need to remove that. Because if it's just being sent that way... Wait a minute. Wait a minute. That will be a little cleaner. Alright. Let's see. Now that I have that taken care of, I'm able to handle arguments. I should get my YouTube just to put it in there. Alright, let's see. Just so that I can fill that in. Too wordy. Okie dokie. So, let's see. What if I wanted to go ahead and chain a few things as well? Suppress messages. Fire. It would give me a same way. So if I want to do a dice, let's remove the dice test since I don't need that anymore. Awesome Possum. So view, word wrap, layout, single. All right, Awesome Possum. So now, let's see if I can extend it even further. We need a way. Okay. Since it's going to be live, let's go ahead and import it. Functions.idle.js. When we go ahead and do that, kingdom list or player list. Function add player list dot push name function check players. Return no, okay, do not need that. And is it going to be live? I guess that would be the real check. Response. So how would I want to do this? Well, I'm going to need a response here. response equals null. And I believe I just called it idler. Fire args. And that is how I would be able to handle it. But I would need fire. Function fire. Don't want it exactly hanging around, but at the same time, message. Okay, so when we go ahead and handle that, then we're gonna need idler. Okay, idler. Is it because I need to export? Yeah, probably. Okay. All right. So, with that, Neoponomaya. I don't understand that. Lo siento. Okay. Right now, I am working on building out a sample IRC game, Internet Relay Chat, through Twitch. And I've already set it up so that people can easily go ahead and do a number of commands and the like. But I'm trying to get it to a point where people can not only play, but I can also display real-time stats of people playing inside of the chat. Ba, 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 ba. I am building one out, yes. Okay. You were very good. Thank you very much. I need to get the ID. But what would be the ID in this regards? And when it is player data points. So then when I come down here, I'll be able to do var player data dot points plus. All right, idler get players. Idler mine point. Player data. Oops. Do you know Thailand? I know a little bit about Thailand, not a whole lot. Tell me a little bit about Thailand. I hear it's absolutely gorgeous. Alrighty. And if I were to reset it, okay, so I need to definitely add a few controls. I'm from the United States. Omaha, Nebraska, to be precise. Action. Time of action. All right, it's just that simple. Alright, I want to check one last thing. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Okay, so automatically spaces it by 30 seconds, so I don't need to worry about that. Actually, yeah, I will, because it only worries about if it's the same. I went to sleep first, now in Thailand, very late. Good luck, goodbye. Have a good day. There we go. So. So, with that, all right. Fantastic. There we go. So every time I restart it, it will automatically refresh, which is actually pretty exciting, which makes me exceedingly happy. So, now that we actually are getting somewhere, args. Record action. Then once we go ahead and record that, we're going to need to update. No, we need to do something like boom boom, time of action. Come on, last action. There we go. Okay, record action. And then when we record an action, we're going to be passing the action and the args. Okay. So now that we're able to go ahead and get that, record action, get players, get points, mine point. Or get players, get points, mine point. No, we don't want that. I'm going to need to refactor that later. Let's go ahead and restart it. Record action. What's wrong with record action? Record action is defined though. Oh, this. Just a proof of concept. How do we... What? Action? The heck? That's weird. James Fight Me IRL. Greetings! Hello, how are you? I'm okay, just struggling a bit with local storage. How are you struggling with it, if I may ask? Okay. So, player data player dot player has any key value pairing I save to it, I append the key to li and put span x next to it. When I click the X, I wanted to remove the li and the local storage key value pair. So you're trying to figure out how to handle lists in JavaScript? So you're trying to store it on the window and not just any old item. Out of curiosity, why aren't you using an array and populating against the array? Well, if you came on earlier, I'd be able to do a lot more to help you, because right now I'm almost done. Because I need to actually go and prepare for my Dungeons and Dragons game very shortly. Get player. User. Darn it. Oh, that's okay. I didn't come here to ask you stuff. Don't worry. No. I'm actually more than happy to help people. It's just I have to literally wrap this up in the next 10 minutes. And I feel like I'm so close and I just want to get it done. So, if you come by probably tomorrow or Monday, I'll be able to give you a quick tutorial. Just came to check out what you're doing. I've never played Dungeons and Dragons. Well, I'm right now working on an idler type of game. Am I? Yes, apparently I am see-through. Joys of using something like this. Yay. This is the last thing I need to do for my thesis, actually, so I'm in the same spot as you. Really close to finishing it. That is awesome. It's like 5 p.m., so I've all day to figure it out. I'm probably going to be gone till like 5, 6, 7 p.m., so... I get, players. It's supposed to be a different command. Other player. Idler mine point. Idler mine point. Idler other player map awesome projects. Okay. Fantastic. So, from the looks of it, I'm able to go ahead and start recording points, and I'm able to go ahead and handle that. And I already put in an application for my drop so that I could actually give people things. And yeah. Lag. So it comes down to having other settings. Oh, I also got the guy who will attack my thesis. Docent Engineer Wilhelm Skilnack, Candidate of Sciences. That does not come off as remotely intimidating. So... So, now that I have this... I need to put something that will check against the times. I don't need this. Alright, there it is. So yeah, it looks like that I can make a game now if I so wanted to, and I have figured out the structure I need. And I can really make it as in-depth or as expansive as I want. So, I think I know what I want to go ahead and try to do. I think I'll work on putting together a giveaway for a Twitch bot that will be personalized. I think that would be fun enough. And maybe with, I don't know, 5 custom commands or things that it can do. My professor that helped me write the thing is Stanislav Vogier, PhD. That is incredibly intimidating, my friend. And pardon if I butchered the name. Guy attacking my doc. In Wilhelm Skillank CSC, amazing. They really don't want me to have it easy becoming a bachelor. Nope, no bachelor degree for you. Make me a player of your idler game. Oh, you can just play. I mean... idler help. Bam. If you want to go ahead and you just need to do exclamation mark idler, then mine points or something like that. Anyone can play. Anyone can play. So no worry about that. And if anyone can, and since anyone can play, and it'll automatically reset every time I reset the IRC because it's in development. So. Oop. Boom. Boom. Let's go ahead and just reboot it real quick. I just reset it. Sorry. Okay, now try idler mine point. No, I just reset the server. I just reset the server. Try again. I can't believe you sent the message just as I was, Oh, forgot one command to add to the list. No, you don't have to, You don't have to write semicolons for it. There. And from the looks of it, you are a player in this game. So yeah, this might be something that I can go ahead and I'll probably need to add a on death or disconnect type command so that it would automatically like record it for the future. So something to update a JSON file, I suppose. Ow. But yeah, this is actually pretty exciting. What people can do with those points, I guess I could always, well, what's the point of an idler game if you can't set something up to automatically mine for you? I write my semicolons under escape. Okay. Helpers. Alright. So, I think that's about everything. By item. By item. View items. I'll claim them for programming help. Sell item. Give points. And it'd be interesting to see how that would play out. And it would be probably one of those things of check player and get player. We need to throw this near the bottom. Alright. That way. Able to do more with that. I don't know, I've always loved idler games. It's something fun, something relaxing, something to work towards. Idle items. probably be something to... What might be worthwhile to also record, kind of encourage user interactions by making sure that people are chatting. Even if some people are just hanging out. That way they can't necessarily just spam, but at the same time have a little bit of variance. Time up. Chat frequency rule. Yeah, let's just set it for 30. So 30 minutes. So long as people have been talking in the last 30 minutes and they're at least doing something. Okay. So long as it's interacting with that. So something where it would need to be at least once a minute to 5 minutes or what have you. I don't know. I'll think of something. Definitely should have a notification system of some kind. Gonna need a lot of if-then situations. It should just be informational on a one-message basis. Like if you pass someone, or if someone passes you. But it should always be relative to that person. I don't know. But either way, it's a good stopping point for now. So for those that have been hanging out, thank you very much. I always appreciate your company. Do drop a follow. And if you ever have any questions in regards to programming, do ask, preferably at the start of a stream so that I would be able to help you. So again, thanks for hanging out, and everyone have a good day.